I'm gonna have to cut that out because you can't swear in the first 30 seconds, and that was my third word of the video. But okay. I have a very potentially, I have to put my visor up because I can't see right now, so I don't know how well you can hear me, but I have a potentially very different video today, which explains why I'm riding in the rain at 8 in the morning. Got a message last night on Facebook because I've been trying to sell this. A guy asked if I wanted to trade, which normally I would have said no because I'm kind of like really tight on money right now and was looking for the cash to make the money back for this bike. But I thought, who knows, maybe he'll offer me like a good trade or something. So out of curiosity, I said, depends on what it is. And he has a 2018 Ninja 650 that he wants to trade for this. As far as I know, the only thing wrong with it, that he told me, it just needs an inspection, new fairings, and the like side of the engine is all scraped up, which I gotta just repaint. So he sent me videos on it. He sent me videos on the way. He's on the way here right now. He sent me videos on it this morning, so it seems pretty legit. He seems like a good, honest guy. So I'm on my way to meet him up here, and we're gonna see if he wants to go through with the trade. Which, shout out to him for driving 2.5 hours to get here. Well, sorry, not driving, riding 2.5 hours to get here in the rain this early in the morning. Like, that's got to be freezing cold, but he's doing it, so it's pretty cool of him. I'm hoping it goes well, and then I can have a Ninja 650 to kind of fix up a little bit, and then do a review on that, maybe a ride or two, and go from there. But I'm on my way to meet him, and we're going to see how this goes. I did not expect to ride at all today, so my GoPro's almost dead. But I mean, if this is the reason I'm riding, I'll take it. Yeah, I gotta lift the visor up, I can't see anything. Alright, there he is. Good, how are you? Yeah, I woke up and I was like, ooh, that's gotta be rough. Yeah, same. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't have any problems.
I was sitting on the highway, I was fucking like, oh god, it's gonna drop.
Just cold, if anything. Really? It did sound like it in the videos.
The camera doesn't do it though.
Oh, damn. Yeah, that's super loud. I mean, I'm sure you just heard it when I came in. It's not super loud, but yeah, it does have a stock exhaust.
He said he's going about like 20-25. Because I know the thing that he was going around whenever he wrecked it. It's fast turn, so there's not really any way you can get much faster around it. At most, he's probably going like 30. But when you laid it down, it broke both the original mirrors, so it cracked up here and up here. So most of the damage is just the bearings right here.
Yeah.
A little bit on the face cover, but if you ever took it off, you could sand it down and paint it.
Yeah.
Other than that,
I mean, it works.
yeah.
Yeah, I would.
This is, it does have an integrated taillight in it,
Okay.
but when I wired it, I couldn't really figure it. It didn't come with a wiring diagram, so I
Mhm.
didn't wire it up to the turn signal, so I just put this back in. If you
Okay.
don't want to mess with it, you can.
Okay. Do you know much about like Copart at all? It's like an auction site where they sell like wrecked bikes, so that's why this is the R title. Um, when I bought it, it didn't even run, like it wouldn't turn on. So I messed around with it a bunch. So a lot of the fuses are like brand new because I thought maybe that would be it. So I tried that. It ended up being the ECU. So it has a new ECU in it. I cleaned out the coolant tank and refilled it. Did an oil change at like 14,000, which it's barely over. So the oil's brand new. Trying to think what else is new. Obviously like these are the windshield and everything, but
Are these stock?
yeah, yeah. They and then I think yeah you also have hazards too. I don't know if that one does, but um, these are brand new fairings that I just put on.
Yeah, I think when I look, this still works fine, but from when he laid it down.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm assuming he did that.
Yeah, he said he originally broke it off a little.
Oh,
Said he originally broke it off a little bit, and then whenever he wrecked it, just snapped it off a little bit more.
uh,
The shift lever's new because when he hit something and it pushed the stock exhaust up and it bent the bracket just a little bit, so there was a hairline crack in the oil pan. So I just replaced the oil pan and gasket. I believe that's everything. And then this has a smaller bolt in it because
Not a very good day for bike riding.
no. You basically just want to do like circles around the parking lot. Okay.
I'll just follow you.
Okay. Jeez. I'm gonna have to close the visor so you can hear me, because this thing is loud. Let this van go. Okay, apparently they're not going to. Oh. Damn, this thing is loud. Steering is a little off. I definitely don't like the steering on this. You probably can't even hear me. Not bad. Do you like it? This is super loud.
It definitely is. Honestly, what I was gonna do was go on fucking and everything. Actually,
This is like a full.
this is a stock exhaust.
Oh, really?
Cut off at the O2 sensor with a straight pipe welded onto it. That's why it says out. And it's got a. The dude welded a carbon to it.
Is that where?
The if you got a slip on it would bolt up right here to this bracket.
Okay.
I can show you some pictures of it. If you want it, I can ship that.
Nah, I mean, that's fine. Since it's 2.5 hours.
Because what I was gonna do, I was gonna originally do that with the stock exhaust, but it was 2 feet up where the O2 sensor was to even do that. Because where the O2 sensor was, it was dented in, so I didn't really want to mess with it and end up having my O2s off and everything like that.
Yeah, that'd be a pain.
Alright.
So you want to do it? All right.
It's up to you.
Yeah, I'm interested.
I'll probably
Alright, so I'm now trading this for a 2018 Ninja 650. Not bad. Just needs some work. But we are headed to the notary to get titles transferred, and that will be mine. Might be too loud to make videos on. And the GoPro just died. Well, the rest of the video will probably just be a picture anyways. So we're at the notary. GoPro just died, but